Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Let's see how to do that. First go to Instagram apps from your phone. Now from the bottom right corner, click your profile picture icon. Now from the top right corner, click the hamburger icon. Then go to setting and privacy. Now go to account center. Now on the account setting, click personal details. On the last one, you'll see account ownership and control. Click there. Now click deactivation and deletion. Now select the account you want to deactivate. Now select deactivate account. Read the details. Deactivating your account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging in to your account. That means after deactivation, if you log in, it will activate again. Then click continue. Now write the password and click continue. After that, it will deactivate your account. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.